she heard me? I think it's funny. I wonder if she heard me, though. It doesn't look like anybody's home. Well, I mean, like her mom or dad. They might have heard me, but like, Tori's freaking out! Seriously? But what if she heard me and then she's... Shout! I feel bad because there's other people in the neighborhood probably like, what on earth? Failure! Just honk the horn. Whoa! Beep, beep. It's probably like, what are you guys freaking out about? I'm in the worst mood right now. Because I yelled. Out the door. My hair, I straightened it, but can you tell? No. Hi. Your hair's red. What do you mean my hair is red? Is my hair red? Why are you recording me? I'm in such a bad mood right now. Did you hear me yell? Yeah. What'd you say? Get or shout! I heard something. Oh man. And my dad is freaking out. Shut up! Something. I don't even know. I know. I don't even know.
Did you just honk your horn?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
I don't know. No.